So Nvidia today is down by over 5%. This is the day after that Nvidia released their earnings and things were very, very good on paper. But as you can see, the stock market has reacted in the opposite way that many have anticipated. And people are scratching their heads wondering what has happened. And there are a lot of questions about the whole AI boom that need to be answered really. As you can see over the past 3 months, Nvidia has gone on a brilliant roller coaster ride, as you can see, up, down, huge swings, bottoming out at around 170 and topping up around $200 per share. When you realize this is a multi-trillion-dollar company, you realize just how much this impacts the rest of the world. Now, of course, I am talking about the S&P 500, which is often regarded as the benchmark for the stock market. If you can beat this, then you are technically beating the market. You can see over the past month, ups and downs, and it's no surprise that one of the biggest holdings of the S&P 500, because it's market cap weighted, is Nvidia, and when Nvidia shifts, the entire market seems to also shift. As I speak right now, year to date, the S&P 500 hasn't even gained a single percentage point. So is it over for AI, or are we just having time to think about it and mull over, the future implications of such a gigantic flow of cash into a sector that might potentially be in trouble? As always, I'm using the Trading 212 app for these videos, and if you would like to sign up to Trading 212 and receive a free fractional share worth up to £100, then all you have to do is to use the link in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can even scan this QR code that should be coming up right now. If you're on the TV, it will put you directly into the link. But if you've signed up less than 10 days ago and you still want to get your free fractional share, then all you have to do is to press the 3 horizontal line menu over here, scroll all the way down until you see the section use promo code. And in this section, just enter the code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. So here is Nvidia's own press release from their newsroom, and here is an overview of the earnings. So this is where things are very interesting, because this is a record quarterly revenue of $68.1 billion. This is up 20% from the last quarter, and compared to a year ago, it is up by 73%. Now, if you hadn't been paying attention, about 2 or 3 years ago, Nvidia went on a massive incline. Maybe about 4 years ago now, around 2022. The share price was around $20 a share. Remember, there was a stock split, so this was actually $200 a share. So currently the share price is $185-ish. If there wasn't a stock split, that's nearly $2,000 per share. And what could warrant such an increase in the value of this company? Nvidia has been around for decades now. It's been a crucial part of a lot of people's lives. If you're a gamer, or if you need any sort of graphics for 3D rendering, or even if you are a movie studio, you probably would have used at some point Nvidia equipment. But no, all of that didn't matter. The share price stayed relatively tame until it was found that Nvidia's chips were one of the most efficient ways of running AI calculations, basically. And of course, AI being a buzzword, there have been billions of pounds pumped into investments into AI, and investors around the world want to capitalize on some of that growth from that investment. And of course, Nvidia was one of those companies that everything went into. Nvidia was releasing crazy profits pretty much quarter after quarter. Things were going really good, and you can see the share price increase has been absolutely staggering. But why now, over the past month, have we not seen the same rise as a reaction to Nvidia's earnings, which typically have been good over the past 3 years? Now, the elephant in the room is AI and its potential to be a big fat bubble like we saw in the dot-com bubble. At that point, anyone could have slapped a .com onto anything and the valuations instantly took off. It seems like that is how it's been over the past 3 years. Anyone can say AI or put AI into their company's name, and, a whole bunch of investors, retail and otherwise, would actually flock into that. And of course, as we know, when money rushes into something that can't produce a big enough profit or doesn't satisfy the desired growth of a company from its investors, then essentially you can see investors sell off big, and it can cause a plummet in the share price. I mean, looking at these numbers, these are absolutely phenomenal, and any company would be more than happy to take these any day of the week. You can see they've even had a record full-year revenue of around $216 billion, up by 65% 5%. So I ask once again, then why is the company struggling to gain momentum in its share price? And it always comes back to the fact that, with the stock market, everything is forward looking. It doesn't really matter what the profits are right now. If it can't make a profit, or investors deem it can't make enough profit for what the share price is currently, then there will be some selling off. There's also concerns about the sustainability of the model that is being carried out by Nvidia and has been carried out over the past 3 years. And right now, investors are worried whether or not in the future they will get the return on investment that warrants such a high share price right now. Now, I made a video the other day about how I kind of regret investing into tech. And the situation with Nvidia is a good lesson to learn that, you really ought to be well diversified across different sectors and different regions over the long term, because yes, sometimes certain sectors outperform others. And, when there's a hype around something, it's only going to garner more attention to that. And of course, increasing share price, not necessarily because that company is doing well, but because a lot of eyes are on them. And for some reason, a lot of people like to invest when the company's already up, which has always been the history of the stock market. But the real truth here is that we don't know what's going to happen next. Nvidia could turn around and make huge amounts of profit constantly, and the share price could be $200 plus like it was before, or it could go the other way and the AI bubble could burst, causing, Nvidia to absolutely crash, go bankrupt. Probably unlikely, but these things can happen. Or, the share price could go down and just stay there for a very long time, and a lot of people would be very upset that they bought this company. And of course, it is not just Nvidia, it's AMD, it's many other companies. You can see over the past 3 months, AMD, which is basically Nvidia's closest competitor when it comes to graphics processing, they're down by 3%. Over the past month, down by nearly 20%, which is a huge amount. Even Amazon is down by over 4% over the past year. It just goes to show that certain sectors do well for a period of time, and then sometimes it rotates. You can see technology right now as we speak isn't doing the best. It could turn around or it couldn't. But wouldn't you rather be well diversified across different sectors? So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.